in this tutorial. I'm gonna pick up right where I left off in the last tutorial and talk to you about some more very useful effects you're gonna be turning to all of the time in After Effects. Alright, let's talk about green screen. Green screen, something that at some point you are going to want to do it in After Effects. So let's take a look at this example. Really quick. You can see that down here my timeline. I actually have a pre-comp. And let me jump in here first and show you what I have going on in my pre-comp. Alright. So this is my pre-composition. The reason why I did it this way is because a lot of times when you are chroma keying footage, which is what this is called, you don't need to deal with the entire green screen.